a Boeing CFO, I would increase the trust in the Boeing by evaluate the inventory management and also raising security level and determine the cost of sale and sales to the business, because the Boeing involved in designing such as aircraft, which it actually use a big financial resources. Each month, I would release a report in detailing a calculation of evaluation of the inventory to being conducted, in order to make a future improvement to the airplane system, and also making a checkup on the security level if there is any probability of risk of fraud happen, since by using the program accounting, it actually allow the Boeing business to spread the revenue over a multiple years, same as a cost. Due to this situation, I think by raising the level of security in making an evaluation of the management, and by determining the cost of airplane industry, will increase the trust in Boeing, since by using the program accounting, there are actually a complex involved in this company rather than others company in the world. So actually it will bring a greater understanding